welcome to our channel. What do you have for us here today? What is this? Ooh, cars. You have cars? You have cars for us today? Yeah. You want to open it up?
Yeah.
Open it. Say yay. What do you have here for us? So many cars. Wow. Can you tell us the colors of your car? Tell us the color. What color is this first one? What color is that?
What?
Gray. Say gray.
Orange.
Okay, let's do it one by one. This is gray. This is red. This is yellow. This is purple. This is orange. This is blue. This is green. Yeah. Which color do you like?
Gray.
You like gray? Oh, okay. You have so many cars. Wow. I like the color blue and I like the color red. Very nice. Yeah. Can you show me the color yellow? Where's the color yellow? There it is. That's the color yellow. Good job. Okay, honey, can you show me the color green? Where's the green color? Where's the green color? There's one more over here. Here's the color green. Okay, honey, can you show me the color red? Where is the red colored car? Yeah, good job. Can you show me the gray colored car? Where's the gray color? Good job. Very good. Can you show me the purple car? Where's the purple car? That's blue. That's black and blue. What's black and purple? It's right over here. Look, there it is. Black and purple. There you go. You got it.
What?
Are you putting them all over here now?
Oh.
Wow, so many cars.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12 cars! Wow, good job! 12 cars! High five! High five! Yay! Good job! High five, honey! High five! High five! Yeah! All right! High five! Good job!